Hello everyone, my name is Vikram Erabaneni and I'm a Principal Program Manager here at Microsoft. I manage Analytics and Dynamics 365 Customer Service and Omnichannel. We are very excited to share that the visual customization on out-of-box Power BI Embedded Analytics and Dynamics 365 Customer Service is now generally available. Here is a quick demo on the same.
Dynamics 365 customer service out-of-box reporting capabilities provide industry-standard metrics that are critical for every support organization. This helps customers to get started with Dynamics 365 customer service and decreases their time to value. However, each customer also has unique reporting needs based upon the nature of the business and need an ability to customize the out-of-box standard reports. Visual customization feature is now generally available in April, which allows customers to customize out-of-box embedded Power BI reports, which includes rearranging out-of-box report layouts and changing themes to adapt to their organization, modifying the graphical rendering of the data, creating visuals using metrics in the data model that are not exposed directly in out-of-box reports. Meet Amy, a supervisor at Contoso Coffee who need to keep track of key KPIs in their support organization to improve the overall support experience of their customers. She opens Omnichannel Historical Analytics and finds key metrics to track performance of the support organization. However, she notices that the out-of-box reports need to be updated to reflect their organizational needs. Since she is part of report author role, she now sees edit report option in this report. Clicking on this, she now enters report authoring experience, where she can see the entire Power BI authoring experience with fields pane listing all the metrics and dimensions provided as part of out-of-box Power BI data model. Visual pane listing all the Power BI visuals, and the filter pane to set additional filters. Now she starts to edit the report. First changes the background of the report to reflect Contoso theme. Her company would like to monitor average handle time more closely, so she replaces one of the visual with this KPI. She also wanted to add rich Power BI Q&A visual for her users to explore the data with their own words. For example, if the user would like to see the impact of average handle time based on the sentiments, they can just see the results by typing average handle time by sentiments as bar chart. Once editing is completed, she can save and publish it so that all users in her organization can now see the customized report, replacing the standard out-of-box reports. Also, she can rest assured that any future updates from Microsoft is not going to override the customizations made by her. As part of this release, we have also enabled export to Excel capability to help customers who would like to analyze the data in an Excel form.
You can find more information on this feature at aka.ms/customer service insights. Thanks for watching.